Welcome to all. In this period of geography, we are discussing chapter 6, that is rocks. Today we will start metamorphic rocks. Definition: change in original characteristics of rock due to tremendous heat and pressure. Change in original characteristic of the rock, that is the parent rock from which rock this metamorphic rock is formed, and two factors are involved in these types of changes. Those are heat and pressure. Due to heat and pressure, the characteristics of the original rock or the parent rock are changed. Those characteristics are color, texture, hardness, and mineral composition. All these characteristics of original rock is changed due to tremendous heat and pressure. Now we see the types of metamorphic rocks. There are two types of metamorphic rocks. That is, number one, thermal metamorphism and dynamic metamorphism. Let us discuss about these two types of metamorphic rocks. Let us discuss about the thermal metamorphism. As you have seen the types of metamorphic rocks, there are two: thermal metamorphism and dynamic metamorphism. In fact, these two are the processes to change the parent rock into the metamorphic rock. In the first, thermal metamorphism, the main factor is temperature. Due to extreme temperature, there is change in the original characteristics of the parent rock inside the earth surface. One word, that is inside the earth surface, not above the earth surface, because this temperature increases as we go deep inside the earth crust. Due to extreme heat, the original characteristics of the parent rock is changed, and newly formed rock inside the earth surface is the thermal metamorphic rock, and the process of this transformation is named as thermal metamorphism, in which temperature plays very important role. So under the earth crust, due to extreme heat, limestone is changed into marble, sandstone is changed into quartzite, shale is changed into slate, and coal is changed into graphite. In all this transformation, in all this metamorphism, this temperature plays very important role. Now let us discuss about the dynamic metamorphism. In dynamic metamorphism, pressure plays very important role. In dynamic metamorphism, as we have discussed above, in thermal metamorphism, that temperature plays very important role in this metamorphism, and this temperature increases as we go deep inside the earth crust. Similarly, pressure also increases deep inside the earth crust, because the lower layer gets more pressure from the upper layers, and due to extreme pressure, due to intense pressure, there is a metamorphism, there is change in the original characteristic of the rock, and newly formed metamorphic rock is named as dynamic metamorphic rock. And this process of transformation of the original rock into metamorphic rock is called dynamic metamorphism. So in fact, dynamic metamorphism is the process of transformation of the parent rock in the metamorphic rock, in which pressure plays very important role. Due to intense pressure, the characteristics of the original rock or the characteristic of the parent rock is changed, and newly formed rock is named as dynamic metamorphic rock, and the process of this transformation is named as dynamic metamorphism. In this way, granite is changed into genesis, shell is changed into schist. These examples, in both the cases you have seen few examples. These examples are very important, and the process of transformation. More than processes of transformation, examples are important. Let us discuss about the characteristics of metamorphic rocks. The first characteristic is it is more compact, harder and bulkier. The meaning should be clear of all these three words. Compact means while the particles of soil are hardly packed, means too much dense. The particles are too much dense, those are packed hardly. It is harder, obviously it is compact, since the soil particles are compacted. It is packed so tightly, so it will be harder. And bulkier. Bulkier means heavier in weight than original rock. So there are three characteristics. First of all, of this metamorphic rock, it is compact. Number two, it is harder. Number three, it is bulkier than original rock, means from which rock it is made up of. Second is the layers with high compressions. Layers are also found like sedimentary rock. In sedimentary rock, layers are clearly visible. We can count the number of layers. Here layers are also present, but these layers are highly compressed. Highly compressed means these layers are formed under high pressure. So layers are present, but those are highly compressed. But the characteristic 3, no fossils are present. No fossils. You should know fossils. Dead and decayed materials of living beings are the fossils. So these are not present in metamorphic rock. Fossils are not present. Number 4, it has high specific gravity. Meaning is clear, it is attracted towards the earth's surface with high speed, with more power. So it has high specific gravity. Number 5, it contains valuable minerals and gems. Valuable minerals such as gold, silver and gems such as diamond. So all these valuable minerals and gems are found in metamorphic rock. And the last characteristic is the formation of metamorphic rock is long process. This transformation takes very long time to change into parent rock in metamorphic rock. So this metamorphism means the transformation or metamorphism is long process in which the parent rock is changed into metamorphic rock. So once more, all these characteristics. Number 1, it is more compact, harder and bulkier than original rock. Number 2, it has layers, but these are highly compressed. Means these layers are formed under high pressure. Number 3, it does not contain fossils, means dead and decayed materials are not found. Number 4, it has specific gravity, so it is attracted towards the earth's surface with high power. Number 5, it contains valuable minerals and gems, valuable minerals such as silver, gold, gems, diamond, etc. And number 6, this transformation of the parent rock or the original rock into metamorphic rock is very long process. So these were the characteristics of metamorphic rock.